just got to the point where you're getting into your 40s. I mean, you're starting to back off on the things you love to do because your knees are hurting too bad, you know. And worked in town all my life. I work for myself now, self-employed contractor, do construction work, excavating work, do a lot of hunting and fishing. Just did that my whole life since I was a little bitty guy. Well, I started having my first knee problems, gosh, I had my first surgery in my 20s, arthroscopic for torn cartilage and stuff. And when I first went and seen Dr. Newman, he just told me, he said, you'll know when it's time. And like a year later, I was steelhead fishing with friends, and we had a great day on the river, caught 6 steelhead, and the next day my buddies are going back and I didn't go because my legs hurt too bad. And that's when I decided with my wife that say, hey, it's time. When it's affecting the quality of your life to where you're not doing the things you love to do, then you need to try to do something. I asked him, I said, you done very many of these? Or, you know, so I kind of want to know if he knows how to pound a nail, if he's a carpenter, you know. And he made the comment to me that he'd done almost 3,000, and I thought, well, maybe he knows what he's doing. And I happened to ask him at the same time, I said, so how many infections you had? And he told me at that time, knock on wood, he said none. So I felt like I was in good hands at that time. So 2008, I had my first done. That's 3 years on my left knee. That was my worst. And it turned out so good that the very next February, I had the right one done. If your knee is bad enough to where it's stopping you from doing something, take the time to go talk to them, see what they can offer you. And I mean, it was 6 months after I did surgery, I was like, man, I should have done this 10 years ago. Because I had been fighting sore, swollen legs and curtailing my activity for at least 10 years. I'm hunting 5-6 days a week, tromping in the mud and the water, and we steelhead fish constantly. I still try to play catch with my grandson and stuff. I mean, I do everything that I want to do, yeah, and my legs feel great, so I'm glad I did it, yeah.